It is day 13 of Preptober, where we are plotting a book in 31 days, and now it is time to write an outline. Up until this stage, I have usually written everything I've got in Word or Google Docs or something except the timeline, which I usually put in Aeon Timeline. I haven't told you where or how to write things down because I want you to do whatever is best for you, but at this stage is usually where I bring up Scrivener. So this is where you take your timeline and you write down all of the scenes or chapters or beats or whatever you work with that you have in order. Well, preferably in order. I write them down in order, but whatever works best for you. But the point is that you write them down and you give a brief description to each thing. To give you an idea, I usually write this in the corkboard feature in Scrivener, so I write 1 or 2 sentences about each scene, chapter, beat, whatever it is I'm working with. And this is basically just to get a skeleton to build on. So we're going to get back to this so many times, and this is where eventually your entire outline and all of your ideas are going to be gathered. Well, all of the plot-specific ideas, research and world building, which I am getting to, you can do whatever you want with those. And of course, if you have more information than just 1 or 2 sentences, write them down here as well. But at this point, the point is that you don't need more than 1 or 2 sentences per chapter, beat, scene. Again, whatever you're working with. So that is what you should have at the end of the day, an outline with 1 or 2 sentences to describe each beat. So it is a brief outline, but an outline nonetheless.